How to make series parallel connection for 4 pieces of solar panels. Take out the wire of the solar panel. The red one is positive and the black one is the negative. Take out 2 solar panels. Connected any positive electrode with the negative electrode of another solar panel to make a new positive and negative electrode. Do the same thing for another 2 solar panels to make another new positive and negative electrode. Take out the Y-shaped cable. Connected the positive with the positive poles to make a new positive poles. Connected the negative with the negative poles to make a new negative poles. Take out the MC4 to the Anderson wire. Positive poles are connected the positive, negative poles are connected the negative. And plug in Anderson port of the portable power station. The series parallel connection for 4 pieces of solar panels is finished.